In the first half of 2026, you can expect to see the facelift of these three cars. And the third one really needs a facelift because it's a good car, but its sales are not doing well. The first is Maruti's Brezza, which has been spotted several times in the last 10-15 days. When I saw it, I didn't think it was a facelift because there might be cosmetic changes, but there won't be a design change. It might get sharper headlights and a more aggressive look like the Seltos, but I don't think there will be any major design changes. However, it is expected to come with many more features compared to the Sonet and Venue, which are currently doing quite well in the market, while Brezza's sales have dropped in comparison over the past couple of months, so it might be feature-loaded. The second is Scorpio N. There are also images of Scorpio N available. You can see them here. There don't seem to be any major changes either. It might have a sharper look and some changes in features, but let's see. This is all the news for now. We don't know much in detail about what will be included, but let's see what happens over time. The third one is Hyundai Verna. Verna really needed this. It's a very good car in terms of engine, performance, space, comfort, and safety. However, due to the front connected headlamps look, the car's sales have drastically dropped. Even people who like the car are not buying it. As Hyundai mentioned, its sales were expected to be good. But this facelift could bring a major, bold look, similar to the previous Verna. There's a possibility that this new look is inspired by Hyundai's Venue, and there could be a change in the steering as well, which people did not like in the Verna. So these changes might happen. It has also been seen during testing. Now, let's see if there are any updates in the coming weeks. If there are any new updates, I will share them. Subscribe for the next video.